Changing the vibration pattern on the Galaxy S24 allows you to customize how your phone alerts you to incoming calls, making it easier to recognize calls in different settings. Here's how you do it. First, tap the home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. Then, tap on Call Vibration. You'll see a list of different vibration patterns, including options like short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, and tick-tock. Scroll through the list to see additional patterns and select the one you prefer. At the top of this menu, you can also adjust the vibration intensity to make the phone vibrate gently or more intensely. For users who are having vibration issues, you can also test on this screen whether or not your phone is still capable of vibrating. Or you can run diagnostics by going to Settings and selecting Device Care. In the next screen, scroll down and tap on Diagnostics. Select Phone Diagnostics and tap on Vibration. Run the test and wait until it's finished. If the vibration is fine, then tap Yes, otherwise, select No. If your phone still has some vibration issues, and if it's important that it should be fixed, then reset your phone and have it checked. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.